How to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11. Hey everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video, I will show you how you can download Google Chrome in Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up a browser in your Windows 11. Here, I will go with Edge. Once you have opened up a browser, now click on the search bar, then search for Google Chrome Download. Now scroll down a bit, head over to the official google.com. Once you're here under the google.com, you will find option to download the Chrome. So click on this button that says download Chrome. After that, Google Chrome will be downloaded in your device. Then you have to head over to your download files under the browser. There you will find the Google Chrome file. You have to click on that, set it up in your device, and once you have successfully installed it, you have to log in with your Google account, and now you can start using Google Chrome in your Windows 11. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.